Discover the AJ1 Low method of make particle rose metallic silver, a reinvented classic that highlights craftsmanship and modern style. This pair focuses on the beauty of its exposed structure, turning the stitching, layers, and panel cuts into a design statement. Embossed leather with petal-like patterns, soft pale pink tones, and a translucent outsole create a refined, lightweight look. A mirror-finish metallic silver swoosh adds sharp contrast, while carefully shaped reinforcements flow naturally with the shoe's curves. Born from Jordan Brand's method of make concept, this AJ1 Low celebrates traditional construction while elevating it through layered materials and subtle textures. From the rhythm of the toe perforations to the rose-gray midsole merging with the upper, every detail enhances its elegant, modern personality. Perfect for sneaker lovers who appreciate craft, texture, and understated luxury, this release blends everyday wearability with visually rich design, making it a standout choice for street style and collectors alike.